Hey guys, welcome back to Security 3. In today's video, we are diving into the world of Windows command prompt and exploring some essential CMD commands that can you make your life easier and more efficient. Before we dive into the command, let's quickly understand what commands prompt is. It's a powerful tool in Windows that allows you to interact with your computer through text-based commands. To get started, you can open command prompt with using your search bar and just type CMD, and here is the app command prompt and open this command prompt. Okay, and we have a first command is cd was using the change directory, your current directory, to jump to next directory using cd command. Okay, first we are using dir command to see the in this directory which contents are in this directory. Okay, place it, and these are the all contents, and we use the cd command to go to the desktop directory and enter. So we are jump into the desktop directory, and we are back to the previous directory using the cd dot command. We are in a back directory. Okay, then we have a next command is mkdir. Mkdir is using for making a directory. So we have make the directory, we are make the directory, and this directory is created, and see here is the directory. Okay, and as well as the copy command is used for copy the file to one directory to another directory. Move file to move the file one directory to another directory, and delete command is used to delete the files that are in the. So we have a nc.exe file, and then we delete this file. Okay, and these are the dir command which use. We have remove this file, delete these files from here, and next command is system info. Need a system information? Yeah, you are need a system information. System info provides the comprehensive details. Let's run this command. Firstly, system info and place it. Sorry, we have a spelling mistake. Okay, we have and enter. There is a system info of all the information in your system. Is there is a Microsoft Windows 10 Pro, and OS version is built version is Microsoft Corporation, and original install date, system boot time, all the process are here mentioned in system info. Okay, and which network card is in the server is used, and IP address, all the things, MAC address, all the things are provided in system info. Okay, there were the next command is the task list. Task list display currently running process. Okay, we have a run task lists. these are the process are running currently in our system. Okay, and then next was the ping command. Ping command is used to troubleshoot your network using the ping command, and which website you can ping, google.com. Sorry, these are the ping command is run. Check your network was a ping. Okay, next command is ipconfig. ipconfig for IP details. You are in a network and what your IP address, how to check. ipconfig use ipconfig tool, command is used for which IP address you are running in. Okay, and then next was netstat. Netstat command view to active network connection. These are the all my active network connections are here. Okay, then next is net user. Manage user with net user. Net user command is used to manage the users. Okay, these are the, I have only one user in my system. Okay, these are the net path, and these are the default account. As you add the new user and show here which users are running. Okay, and then next command, if you need to run programs as another user, so use the run as in your command. Okay, run as. Okay, these are the commands, all informations and directions to how you can run command. Okay, when you are done, simply the type exit. Okay, your all command are run, and then exit the prompt, just press exit command and enter, and there you have it. Flux, a quick rundown, some essential Windows command from commands that can save your time and make you true Windows ninjas. Don't hesitate to explore your experiment on your own to truly master command line. If you are found this video helpful, give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next